Have you ever faced an issue on your vacation where you had taken a video or photo, and while editing, you found that the sky was a little gray? The grass was not that green? It happens most of the time. But with Filmora 15's new feature, HSL Eyedropper Tool, you can fix a particular color in your footage without affecting the other colors in your footage. Before we begin, if you haven't already installed Wondershare Filmora, please visit the official website and download the latest version. Then, install it on your computer. Also, remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. Let's see how to use the HSL Eyedropper Tool. First, launch Filmora and start a new project. Then, import the footage that you want to adjust to the media bin and place it on the timeline. As you can see in this footage, the sky's not that blue and other colors are also not looking good. Let's fix them one by one. Go to the Colors tab in the Settings panel and select HSL. Here, you will get 8 commonly used colors such as red, orange, yellow, green, cyan, blue, purple, and magenta. Also, an additional option for the eyedropper tool. After clicking on any color, you can adjust the hue, saturation, and luminance. Sometimes the color you want to adjust does not completely fall into these colors. In that case, select the dropper, and then select the color on your footage that you want to enhance. Once you select the color, it will add a color palette of the selected color, then use the hue, saturation, and luminance sliders to enhance the selected color. Similarly, again select the dropper, and then select the other color that you want to enhance, and then adjust the HSL. Finally, let's adjust another color. Select the dropper, and then select the color from the footage. Then adjust the hue, saturation, and luminance. As you can see, when I am adjusting the color, only that particular color is getting adjusted without disturbing other colors. Also, you can use this button to see the before and after the adjustment of the colors. Let's take another footage. In this footage, you can see the grass is dead. Let's make them green. Go to the HSL, and then select the dropper, select the color from the footage, and then adjust the grass color. Now, you can see that the grass is green. Here are a few comparisons of before and after. Now, adjusting any color in your footage is on your fingertips with HSL Eyedropper Tool. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your fellow creators and editors. For more Filmora 15 tutorials and video editing tips, subscribe to our channel and visit filmora.wondershare.com for templates, effects, and resources. See you in the next one.